viewers, today we are going to see about coefficient of restitution. Symbolically it represented as small e. And the value of coefficient of restitution is lies between 0, greater than 0 and less than 1. So it is basically a positive value. Assume two objects having mass m1 and m2. Before collision, they have a velocity of u1 and u2, and after colliding, m1 and m2 gets collided and then bounces back. And m1, this object goes with the velocity v1 and the second object goes with the velocity v2. So if this is the situation, we can say the coefficient of restitution as velocity of separation after collision. So numerator term is after collision, and denominator term, velocity of approach, is before collision. So we can always write this small e as v2 minus v1 divided by u1 minus u2. So after collision, we know that m2, object 2 with mass m2 moves with the velocity v2, and object 1 with mass m1 moves with the velocity v1. Similarly, for m1 and m2 before collision, the velocity is u1 and u2. See, always the difference of v2 minus v1, that is, we always call it as relative velocity. Here again u1 minus u2. So the final answer should be positive and the value lies in between 0 and 1. So it is less than 1 but greater than 0. So that's all about the coefficient of restitution. Hope you have understood the concept behind coefficient of restitution. Thanks for watching this video. Nandri.